Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Trade with Tawhid. Let me formally introduce myself. I am Sheikh Tawhid and having experience of 3 years in Indian markets and Forex markets. So basically today's video will be on the topic of what are currency pairs, like the types of currency pairs and also the top 5 currency pairs for beginners. Okay. As I said, I started a series for beginners which is completely for beginners, which is basic to advanced, where I'm gonna cover everything which I have told in roadmap video also. If you didn't watch the roadmap video, please go and check my video. And when come to this video, in this video I'm gonna talk about the currency pairs and also the top 5 currency pairs for beginners. So without wasting time, let's get into the video on my laptop screen. So before starting video, I request everyone to like, subscribe and comment my video, and also click the bell icon to not to miss any new notifications whenever I upload new videos or shorts. Okay. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. In time. So first of all, what is currency pairs? So currency pairs. So it's a combination of two currencies where we trade in between by foreign exchanges. Like यहाँ पे हम कुछ भी पेयर ले लो, like euro USD, GBP USD, and when come to euro USD, euro and USD are two different pairs. Like हम यहाँ पे euro और USD पे ट्रेड करेंगे. Like यहाँ पे in between them हम यहाँ पे ट्रेड करेंगे. Okay. Okay guys, as I said, I will tell you the top 5 currency pairs as being a beginner. So those are the top 5 currency pairs are Euro USD, USD JPY, AUD USD, GBP USD and USD CAD. These are the 5 currency pairs which mostly used by beginners. So I will explain also. The Euro USD have somewhat less spreads when compared to other pairs, okay? And the USD JPY will be having some good moment of volatility and also liquidations. And when compared to odd USD like AUD USD, you will be see like good volume, and also AUD USD respects all moments of markets, and also GBP USD also same, and USD CAD will be having good expected movements and also good volatility also. And also the last is XUSD gold. It's a very good market if you understand very clearly that this market is very volatility, like there will be having so much of liquidity in gold. Like if you understand very clearly this gold and also analysis good, if you do good back testing on gold, like before 1 year or 2 months, sorry, not 2 months, 2 years, you will be having somewhat good results in back testing. And also gold is a primary, my main pair is gold, and also I am expert in gold. Like I will be having some strategies on upon gold soon. In next videos I am gonna share my gold strategy in the next video. So if you want that video, please subscribe us and also click the bell icon so you can't miss that video. Okay. And so that's all about this video. So if you are a new guy, please like, comment and subscribe us, and also click the bell icon so never miss any notification from us. So thank you guys, bye bye.